hating, especially the ones I show how to do this shit. You'll never catch up with me. I show you enough to hang yourself. This candy paint, how you gonna do some candy like that? You can't even figure that out. It's a paint war, Jason. I wish they can do that shit. Look at that red. Look at that shit in the trunk. Look how it's flipped. Jason, I'm calling you out. You need to catch up. I think I done fell off. That's candy paint flipping like outrageous. Figure that out. I just begun. I ain't fell off, Jason. Thought we was buddies. Now it's a paint war. Look at that shit flipping like that, man. Figure that out. What I show a motherfucker to do, I mean, I done moved on to doing something else. What I show you is old shit. What I show you how to do something is old. Figure out how to do that. Look at that. Look at that shit changes. Figure that one out, buddy. He ain't even got no clear on him. Jason. Calling you out, little buddy. Still love you to death, but guess what? I ain't never had a hate on the person and get some work, man. We don't do that, man. Oh, what is that? Any flakes in there too? What the fuck? I can't even really see him. There's something in there. Jason. Oh, what color is that? Look at it flipping. Orange juice. Step the game up, son. Who you know doing outrageous candy? It might take too long, so you think, but guess what? The difference between me and you. I can do this and you can't. I'm changing colors. Still love you to death, boy. It's a paint war though, buddy, now. Look at that. What color is that up top? I'll be damned. Flipping like a motherfucker. Oh, what color is that trunk? Oh, I'll be damned. Look at that shit, man. That shit don't make no sense, man. It's paint war, Jason. Oh, what color is that? I ain't seen that color before. Oh, what is that? Look at those 4, 5. How many colors can you count like that? How many colors can you count? Well, I'll be damned. Snoop the Snowman and done it again, Jason. I'm gonna show out for you now, little cuz. We still cool. I'll give you a free pointer. You still need some more pointers. Damn, Jason. Thought you was my homie, man. We still cool, but I'm gonna have to shut you on down on the paint game, buddy. Wonder why you ain't been around. Everything I do, I'm dedicated to you.